Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Rainbow CSV for your Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the Rainbow CSV extension, then it is an extension that enhances CSV, TSV, and other delimited file readability by color coding columns, thus enabling SQL-like queries. And it also provides features like auto-completion, delimiter detection, and CSV consistency checks. So let's see how to install this particular extension. So in order to install the extension, you need to head on to the extension tab into your VS Code and type in the following in the search bar, that is Rainbow CSV. Once you have searched in, you will come across this particular extension by mechatroner, and it has 12.3 million in downloads. So in order to install this, simply click the install button and it will ask you for this particular message box. You need to click on the trust publisher and install button. Once you have done that, here you can see that this extension has been successfully installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.